These fun and simple videos about everyday objects explaining how they work are getting millions of views. Here's how you can make them too. Open Chat GPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for Object Talk and select this GPT model. Click Start Chat and type in an object you want the video to be about. For example, type phone. The GPT will generate 5 text-to-image prompts, 5 short scripts. The first prompt is the main one. It focuses on your main object, like the phone. The other 4 prompts are for related objects, like a battery or notification bar. Copy the main prompt from the GPT's output and open Gemini and choose Nano Banana Pro. Paste your prompt. Click Create. Do the same for the other 4 prompts. Here's an example of what Nano Banana Pro generated for me. It looks really good. You can use this exact method for anything, even food. Try typing ketchup into the GPT. You'll get a main prompt about ketchup and related prompts like sauce or bottle. Then follow the same image creation steps. You can make visuals just like these. Now it's time to turn your images into short videos. Copy the script the GPT gave you back in Flow. Click on the Image to Video button at the 3rd option. Choose the 3.1 model. In the input box, type something like the cartoon face is saying, then paste your script right after that. Set the duration to 8 seconds. You'll get a short animated clip with your image talking. I tried this with a few different images, and these are the results I got.
I haven't slept in weeks.
I'm not indestructible.
You'll find all the
weakens
links
my
and
spine.
tools I used in this
One day I'll
video in
stop
the description.
charging, and it'll be
Don't forget to
quiet.
like and subscribe.